Hello everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate the configuration of CRM for BD and estimation team. This will be your login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address. Okay, I am entering the email address of an employee. Here you will enter the password. After entering the password, click on login button. After login, navigate to CRM. In configuration, you will able to see these menus. Campaigns and mediums are not in use in case of CRM. Click on sources in order to add multiple sources in your opportunity form. Like here I am entering the source as Facebook. The sources that you will add here will be visible in your opportunity form. Like here I have recently added the source Facebook, so it will be visible in the source as Facebook here. Now in location you can add multiple location so that it can appear in your opportunity form. Like here I am entering the location as Orissa. Click on save button. Here in opportunity form, when you will click on location, you will able to see a location that you have created just now. Now in order to create sales team in system, click on sales team. Here you can able to create multiple sales team. In order to create new sales team, click on create button. For example, here I am entering the new sales team name as BD. Here you will choose your leader of your team. Here you can give the email address to your team. In order to add new members in team, click on add button and simply select the members which you want to add in your team. For example, here I am selecting the team members as Shweta and Om Prakash. And Pawan Vashisht. Select all the team members. This way you can add multiple team members in your team. Now click on save button. This CS team will be appear in your lead form, as you can see here. In business development team, you will able to see all the teams that you have created in the system. In order to create industry in the system, click on industry. Here I am entering the industry name is manufacturing. Now click on save button. Here in lead form, you can see the industry name that I have created just now will be visible here. Now in meeting types, you will able to create different meeting types. For example, here I am creating the meeting types as BD, internal meeting. The meeting types that you will configure here, you will able to see them in meetings. When you will create new meetings, all the meeting types you will able to see here. These are all your meeting types. For example, I have recently created BD internal meeting, so it will be shown here in the tags. In activity types, you will able to create new activities type. For example, here I am creating it as a here you will define that this activity lie in which category. It is a meeting or it is any other thing, so I'm entering it any other. Here you will describe the summary. Here you will describe the days that meeting will take, and here you will add the next meeting after that particular activity type will be performed. For example, if you want that after creating Excel meeting will be conducted, then you can select on meeting. After filling all the details, click on save button. As you can see in activities, the recently created activity type will be reflected here. Here in meeting activity type, all the activity type that you have created in your configuration will be visible here. In leads, click on leads and opportunities. Here you will able to enter the lead tags. For example, here I am entering the lead tags as manufacturing. So this lead tag will be appear in your lead form like manufacturing here. This way you can add multiple lead tags. In lost reason, you can enter multiple lost reason for your opportunity on clicking on create button. For example, here I am creating it not valid as a lost reason. So click on save button. This lost reason will be appear when your opportunity will be lost. In no bid reason, you will enter the no bid reason for your particular opportunity. When your head of the department will click on no go button, these all reason will be visible there. And he will going to select one of them. This is the all configuration of CRM.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.